without
I
giving.
never made it.
Pepe or something like that. Pepe. Yeah, I know.
I am mix of emotion, got my statement,
Already.
and I'm reading.
Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Kirak Priyanka channel. Today we are doing a challenge. So if we want to do challenge, we need one more person, right? Today in our channel we have one guest. She is my friend Simran. So I'll give little bit time for her to introduce herself. You can introduce by yourself.
Okay. My name is Simran and thank you for inviting me on your channel.
Thank you so much for coming.
And this is our first collab and let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
So today we are going to do one excited challenge that is like 5-second challenge, right?
Yes. So sorry everyone. First of all, this video is going to be in English and little bit Hindi here and there because we both speak together like English and Hindi because
That is
she is
English.
from she is from North India. So Telugu people, I hope you all know English. Yeah. So no need to say sorry also. Okay. So I'll just explain simply what is today competition going to be. Last time challenge, everybody liked so much, right? So I hope this video is also going to be very fun and you're going to enjoy this video. So what is challenge? 5 seconds challenge. You might have seen so many videos in YouTube already. If you didn't, I'll just explain, okay? So here we have each person 5 questions. So I don't know what is her questions and what she don't know what is my questions, like which I already wrote and kept here. So I'll just ask. Questions are going to be dead easy, okay?
Yeah.
And the rules are very simple. If you say correct answer, you can take water or we can go to next level, next question. If you say wrong, then the fun is going to be, guys. Here are the lemons. That too, green lime. These are very, 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 I can say bitter type. Yeah. So we have to eat one.
One full we have to eat.
Yes, you have to finish. There is no cheating. If you say wrong answer, you have to eat. If I say wrong answer, I have to eat complete this lemon slice.
Like this.
Yeah.
Squeeze.
Yeah, that is a punishment, guys. So I hope it is going to be fun because I hate lemons. By the way, you like
Me
it?
also. No.
Yeah, we both don't like. So let's see how it is going to be.
So we will be using timer also.
Yes, we will be using timer. It is just 5 seconds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's done.
Okay.
We should be very quick. And the questions are going to be like not yes or no questions.
Yeah.
It will be like, you should ask me, mention any 3.
Okay.
Or
got it.
like mention any 2. It's up to you. Okay, like that we need to ask each other question and you should be answering. I'm sure whatever I wrote, all the questions are dead easy for you.
Okay.
Okay? The challenging is timing.
When we have a
Yeah.
time, we just
When-
forget everything.
Exactly. When we have pressure in our mind, we cannot answer.
Yeah.
That is the fun challenge. Okay? So
Okay.
you are ready to do challenge?
Yeah.
You're going to win? Okay. Okay, so then we are going to start our competition right now. So I'll be the one who will ask you first question. Okay, let me open my questions. Don't cheat, okay? Don't
Yeah,
look at
yeah.
my paper. Very, very easy question I'm going to give. Okay?
Okay.
You know
let's see.
already answer, but the question is like how much time you will take to answer.
Okay.
Listen carefully, I won't repeat.
Okay.
Mention any 3 aeroplane company names. You know the right brand
Yeah,
names?
yeah.
Any 3. That I.
Time starts
Yeah.
now. Okay. Air Asia, Air India, Air Arabia.
You did it. Now it is her chance.
Okay. So where are my questions?
I got my eyes.
Okay. So just tell 2 utensils which we used in kitchen most.
Kadai,
1.
plate, spoon. Yay! Now my chance. We are doing pretty good, I guess. No one is eating lemons. Tell me any 3 movies which based on true stories. Matlab,
Okay.
Yeah.
Actual real stories.
time up. Time up. No, immediately मैं जब बोलूँगी ना question उसके बाद ही तुरंत तुम start करो.
Okay.
मैं fingers करूँगी ना तभी start करो.
Okay.
ठीक है? तो she lost it. She has to eat big lemon. I'll give the first one. No.
That is bit big.
Yeah. Come on. You can do it. Come on. How is it?
So bitter.
गया. Yeah, she did it. And then now,
Your turn.
yeah. No, you have to ask me, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to tell 3 brand name for baby diapers.
Pampers, Huggies. I mentioned 2.
Yeah. So you have to eat a small lemon.
Yeah, मैंने expect ही नहीं किया diapers का brand पूछोगी.
How's the taste?
Bitter है, बहुत bitter है.
Yeah, it's green lemons.
Yeah.
She's trying to eat full.
Mm.
She's enjoying lemon.
Not enjoying. Punishment है तो punishment. और ये health के लिए बहुत अच्छा है.
We are just improving our immunity
Mm.
to fight for COVID.
My Hindi is very poor. माफ करना अगर कुछ गलत बात कर लिया तो.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Now it's your turn.
anytime. Guys, we already ate 1-1. So now it's my turn. This is my third question to you, my dear
Okay.
friend. Mention any 3 software company names. Any.
Okay. Dematic IT solution. HCL. Oh sorry.
क्या टाइम हो गया?
Only 2. I just answered to you.
Yeah, 3.
Oh.
क्योंकि 5 seconds का challenge है, at least 3 तो. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just going to eat this.
Wow. Wow.
It's like I will do dance here.
ठीक है. And go to you. We'll go to next
Next
question.
Okay.
Mhm.
So you have to tell 2 lipstick brand names.
Lakme, Maybelline. Take it, it's my turn again. I have to ask you questions. The 4th question: 3 famous places in Dubai.
Okay, that is Miracle Garden, Desert Safari, Burj Khalifa.
Yeah, she did it. Good job. It's you. I guess 4th question to me.
Yeah.
Correct? Yeah.
You have to tell 3 brand names,
Mm-hmm.
3 shopping malls in Dubai for 1 to 20 shopping. 1 dirham to 20 shopping.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Day to day, Edo, and 1 to 10 shop. There is 1
Yeah.
to 10. Maraka. Yeah. I appreciate myself. ठीक है. 5th question to you. Mention any 3 online shopping platforms. Any.
Okay, Amazon.ae, Noon.com and Spree.com.
She did it. Yeah. I didn't guess. Okay. So तुम्हारा last
question?
Yeah. 5th question.
Okay. 2
Mm.
scooters which we use without gears. 2 brand name of scooters without gear.
Without.
Like scooty.
Honda, Pepe or something like that. नहीं है कुछ यार ये चीटिंग है क्योंकि मुझे vehicles के बारे में zero knowledge है भाई.
No, like without gear na. So like Activa,
You know,
scooty पे
Pleasure
pleasure.
Activa भी है ना.
हाँ.
हाँ.
So last one you
Yeah,
said Pepe.
yeah, I didn't say. मतलब seriously I don't know what is gear and what
Only
is.
Activa like we all know in that.
That too I just guessed.
Okay.
क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं what is
Without gear.
Yeah, with gear or without gear I don't know.
Okay.
But it's okay. The last one. My already big one. It's so bitter.
Yeah, it's big one. Almost we did like equal answers, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to we.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it guys. I hope you liked our challenge. If you like our videos, kindly please like, subscribe, share this video to all your friends. And you can leave in the comment section if you want to see us more together and to do more videos like this. You can just comment and give suggestions. Do like this, do like that. We will definitely do. Right? Thank you so much for watching us together. I hope you liked us, and if you like us, definitely if you are watching till here, you might have liked us both, I'm sure. So go like it.